Right, next up, hard drive removal. So we're already clipped in, as you can see here, so that's fine. And this has just got the 4 screws, standard sort of configuration. We've got 2 at this end here, 2 just offset on the sides at this end here. Cables running from the back of the hard drive down and into the motherboard here. So if we just release this connection to start with, and then get these 4 screws out, and the hard drive should just come away. You can see these are damping screws, so underneath the screws you've got the little rubber rings. You want to be very careful, obviously not to lose them, but also when screwing these back down, just to make sure that you don't accidentally damage them. They do provide a certain amount of shock resistance to the drive itself. Okay, with those removed, hard drive just comes away.